Well, hello there, this is John. Hope you guys are all doing alright out there in YouTube land. And because winter's coming on, I decided to do yet another backup emergency power system. This time I'm using the batteries from the motorhome. This 412 volts in there, 412 volts in there, two separate power banks. And what they're doing is they will power this inverter at it says 5,000 watts, but it's probably actually maybe 1,500 watts if I'm lucky. And what I did was I put in a three-way switch which controls these two contactors here. And what they do, those contactors take power from either this battery bank or this battery bank and send it into the inverter. And this is, so it's 48 volts on both of these, and this is a 48 volt inverter which turns it into 120 volts or 110 volts. And there's a small switch there to turn everything off, so you're not running the coil which pulls actually milliamps, but it's still a drain on the battery, so it's best just to have a switch to turn everything off that you're not using power with. So I'll do a diagram, show you how it was done. Looks great, we're really happy with it. Okay, the way these contactors work is there's a small coil which takes small power, just to, maybe an amp to energize the coil, and then when it energizes the coil, it makes a connection between these two larger contacts here, which give you what I call larger power. That'll go up to 20 amps. So that's the reason that we use these contactors. This three-way switch will flip between power sources of one battery bank here or the other battery bank here. And then coming out the bottom we go to the 5,000 watt power inverter, which is actually probably maybe 1,500 watts, I guess. This was an easy setup. I'll do a diagram to show you how this all runs. The circuit diagram on the left shows you how the contactors are turned either on or off by means of the three-way switch. In this instance, the three-way switch is flipped to the left, which will give power to the left contactor. And what effect that will have is it will allow the big power to go from the left battery bank up to and through the contactor to the inverter. So when the three-way switch is flipped to the left, for example, the way it is, it will give power to the left battery bank, and the right battery bank will not be getting used until you flip the three-way switch in the opposite direction, and that will turn on the right battery bank. And as soon as that switch flips, it turns on one battery bank and turns off the other bank, and that keeps everything safe. You don't want electricity running in the wrong direction, do you? The diagram on the right is showing you the power circuit. The diagram on the left is only showing you the half amp power circuit. The half amp power circuit is just to control the contactors, whereas the large power goes to the inverter. So I've split this circuit into two diagrams so it's easy to understand, because when you've got wires crossing each other, makes it a bit more difficult to understand what's going on. So I hope this helped.